To improve our quality, we will begin with IQC. We have heightened the requirements on all parts, and if the reject rate is higher than the number in the agreements, whole batch will send back to the supplier. In this way, we can eliminate some quality issues from the source. On OQC, regular drop test is a must. Every new batch packed, we will pick certain number of packages randomly to go through a drop test. And to minimize the chances being damaged during transportations, we will send out a few, circulate in China for a few days, go through different couriers, and when machines came back, we will let some people who have never used or assembled a 3D printer before to assemble and print with them. In this way, we can test the durability of our packaging, and we will understand in what condition it may arrive in your hand. Although all these tests will increase our cost, the quality is the main thing we concern. And now, these are the tests every machine will go through. After the machine gets off the production line, it will send to the QC room for extensive testing, starting with a dry run to make sure every axis runs smoothly. Then we will start printing a small test cube. If the machine passed the cube test, then we will start an 8-hour print for final testing. And only if the machine passes all 3 tests, it will then send to packaging. And if it failed even one of the tests, it will send back to the production line for further investigation and fixes. Even a machine has gone through all these tests and our packaging is good enough, sometimes there's still things we can control. For example, couriers and customs. When a package has been opened at the customs, we can no longer guarantee the durability of the package. Besides that, some machines may arrive with loose parcels damages due to transportation. But please believe us, we have done everything we could to guarantee the machine arrives your hand in its best condition. We at Artillery understand that there may be different problems still laying around, but we will do our best to fix our problems and improve ourselves. And at the end, we would like to thank you for all the reviewers and customers who have given us valuable suggestions and feedbacks. Once again, please accept my sincere apology, and we promise we will do our best to improve our quality. Thank you.